Can a complete beginner really make their first $50 online in just a few hours? I tested the Affiliate Whisperer, and the results surprised me. This isn't another complicated course full of theory. The Affiliate Whisperer is a plug-and-play system designed for people with no list, no budget, and no experience. It claims you can be up and running in just 10 minutes, with built-in traffic and even guaranteed leads included. What really caught my attention are the success stories. Newbies across the US, Canada, the UK, even Ireland reported making sales within hours. One tester made $52.82 in 5 hours. Another closed 5 sales in just over an hour. These aren't seasoned marketers. They were struggling until they tried this system. So what do you actually get? With the Affiliate Whisperer, you're guaranteed approval to a proven high-converting offer, instant clicks set directly to your link, and a complete blueprint for turning those clicks into long-term leads. Plus, there are 3 bonuses: fast fixes for instant sales, the instant click code to boost curiosity, and the Zero-to-Lead Accelerator Blueprint for scaling up quickly. Normally, this package is priced at $197, but right now it's heavily discounted to under $20, and there's a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it, test the traffic, and see the results yourself with zero risk. If you've been stuck wondering how to finally break through in affiliate marketing, the Affiliate Whisperer might just be the shortcut you've been waiting for. Check the link below and see if it's still available at the special price. For more content like this, like, share, and subscribe.